In this modern era, a website is not just a URL, it's your identity. No matter who you are or how small your business may be, it truly doesn't matter. Everyone likes to know more about you before availing your services, and a well-designed web page is the best way to introduce yourself. However, not everyone possesses proper knowledge of web development, and hiring a professional web developer can be quite costly. But fear not, there are ways to reduce those costs, and you can even run a website without spending a single penny. Sounds incredible, right? Believe it or not, today I will show you how to create a professional website without any coding and without spending any money. So, open your browser, and let's dive in. First, go to the Jimdo website. It's a web builder AI. There are a vast number of services available on this website. You can create your own website without having any coding knowledge. Okay, to create your first website, navigate to the top and hit the Start Free button. Now create an account with your email or Google account. After creating an account successfully, you will see this page. There are two options here. The first one is create a website without coding knowledge, and the second one is the editor for coding expert. If you are a coding expert, then select the second one. But we will select the first one, because we will create a website without any code. Okay, click on the Start Now button. Now we have to answer some simple questions so that AI can understand what kind of website we want to create. Select your identity. If you are a single-man service provider, then select a single individual. Today, I will create an e-commerce type website, so I am selecting a group of people. Now select the main purpose of your website. I will select a new business or professional project. You can select as per your need, such as a personal project, hobby, or even an established business. Okay, after selecting your topic, hit the Continue button. Now we need to give a name to our website. Today, I will create an e-commerce website, and my product will be headphones. Let's go ChatGPT and ask for a business brand with a slogan. Okay, ChatGPT suggests some names with slogans. Okay, this one I like most. Arrowbeat sounds unique and professional. Copy the name and paste it into Jimdo and then click on Continue. Now select your physical location. I will skip this part. Now we have to select our business category. I will search for e-commerce. Okay, I found it. Search your related category and click on Continue. On the next page, we have to select our goal. As I don't have a physical shop and I will sell products online. So, I am selecting Sell Online. Next, if you have your own product, select the first option, and if you will sell third-party products, then select the second option. Now it's an important part. If you have a physical store, select Physical Store. And check the other option also. I will create a website like Amazon. So I am selecting Online Marketplace. Now select your service area. You can select your own city, country, or even worldwide. Okay, on the next page, if you have a Facebook or Instagram page related to your business, you can import photos and content from there. I will skip this part. Now select your product and service category. I will enter earphone. If you don't find any match like me, simply click on No Matches. Now select your website style. I will select Elegant, because I love this. Now select the color palette. Then click on Continue. Now AI will take a little time to create our design. Okay, it has generated two samples for us. Let's review both of them and select the best one. This one is looking pretty cool, while they add so many elements. Honestly, I didn't expect so much. Let's go to the second one. It's looking like a blog site. I will prefer the first one. Alright, let's select the first one and click on Continue. Now you can see the domain names of your business name. But it's a paid service. This time I will continue with free and subdomain service. This is our website. We can customize it as per our needs. Let's do some customization. At the top of the web page, you can see the favicon option. Basically, it's the icon you can see in the browser tab. But this time we can't change this, because it's a paid service. Let's start editing with the header section. Select the header and click on the eye icon. I will add an image logo on my website, so I am enabling it. If you want to keep the text logo, then leave it. You can add your social media link also from here. Okay, now let's make some customization in the header section. In this primary button, I will write Shop Now instead of Book Now. We can also link it to our shop page. Okay, now let's change the logo of our website. Before doing that, I will add a color in my background. So, I am clicking on Block Desync. Now turn off the transparent background. Alright, now click on the logo button and select the image icon. Here you can use AI-generated images. This time I will make a logo with Leonardo AI. After coming to Leonardo AI, select a model. I am giving a simple prompt, such as a beautiful logo, then add the headphone. After that, I added the name of my website. Okay, let's see what can Leonardo generate for us. That's crazy. I like all of them. But the second one is the best for me. So I am downloading this one. Now go back to Web Builder and click the logo and select the image icon. After that, select from this device and upload the logo image. Then click on the eye icon again and remove the text logo. You can adjust the size here. Now we will customize the body section. In the first block of the body, I will replace the background. So click on the background image, then select the image icon and enter your image. Wow, it looks more stunning now. Let's change the slogan. I will put ChatGPT generated slogan. In this same process, you can change all the blocks. Now let's customize the store page and add a product to our website. First, add a product photo. I have generated with Leonardo. Okay, now give a title for your product. Here you can change the price of the product. In the same way, you can edit or add new products on the store page. Okay, our editing is now completed. Now we are in the final step, just click on the Publish button. This is our brand new website link. You can share it now. Okay, let's have a look at our new AI-generated website. This is our website. We have generated a good website with AI and without any code in a very short time. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section. I would love to hear about your experience of building a website with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!